Every single child has value, dignity and worth. That's a fundamental belief at Sanctuary Foundation. But we're hearing from a survey done by YouGov of over 1,000 schools that there's been a spike in misogynistic and sexist language, often coming from boys towards girls. 81% of teachers tell us this is due to the impact of toxic influencers such as Andrew Tate. And we want to tell a better and different story. We want every child and every girl to feel welcome and supported at school. So we're running a great big live assembly to celebrate International Women's Day. I hope you can join us. We're hosting a great big live assembly to celebrate International Women's Day on the 3rd of March. And we're going to be joining children from around the UK to celebrate the impact of women and girls in their lives. We're going to be hearing from 2 girls in Grantham. We're going to be hearing from women from around the UK. And we're going to be hearing from an incredible tech entrepreneur called Roya Mahboob. She is from Afghanistan and she's got such an inspirational story. They've made a whole film about her featuring will.i.am and Phoebe Waller-Bridge. Do join us. It's going to be a fantastic event. Of course, as usual, my incredible co-host is going to be Gemma Hunt, who you'll know from Swashbuckle, and there'll be encouraging messages from women across the UK, cheering on girls and women to be the best they can be. Hope you can be with us on the 3rd of March. Thank you.